Onagambye nti Pan-Africanism is one of the principles of UPDF. Pan-Africanism yensonga ye core value eya UPDF. But my brother, you cannot be a Pan-Africanism when you are killing people. When you are killing your fellow Africans and you call yourself a Pan-Africanism, that is a lie. That is a total lie. You cannot liberate people by killing them. Just use your head. Just use your head. Those people are dying in Sudan. They are Sudanese. They are not Europeanese. You cannot be a Pan-Africanism, whatever you call it, when you are killing your fellow Africans for no reason, just because of power. You can't. Ebyo babalimba mutwe gwamwe, they just brainwash you so that they can use you as a robot, as a killing machine to kill your fellow Africans. To call yourself a Pan-Africanist. How? How can you be a Pan-Africanist at the same time you are killing your fellow Africans just because of power? Just you want to stay in power. You cannot liberate people by killing them. It cannot be. That is not liberation. That is being opportunists. Those people, they have their interest in Sudan, not Pan-Africanism. So killing Sudanese, where do UPDF? Killing Sudanese, how can that be related to UPDF? How? Sudanese government, how can it be a problem of UPDF to solve? The government of South Sudan, how can it be our problem? We as Ugandans, how we as UPDF? Pan-Africans, you have to fight foreigners. Foreigners, not killing your fellow Africans, and you call yourself a Pan-Africanist. It cannot be, it cannot even make any sense. You are killing Sudanese, they are Africans, they are not Westerners. They are not Westerners, my dear. They are same Africans. They are killing Congolese there just because of their resources. Those people are opportunists. They have never been a Pan-Africanist. That is a lie. That is how they brainwashed you. Just to use you as a killing machine to solve their problems around the region. To fulfill their interests around the region. UPDF is everywhere. Is in Congo, in Somalia, Central Republic, in Ethiopia. So, you mean Kenyans are not Pan-Africanists? They don't love Africa? You mean Tanzania? They don't have, they are not Pan-Africanists. They are not Pan-Africans. Why UPDF? Why is everyone complaining about UPDF? You go in Somalia, they have chased them. UN have chased them in Somalia. Just go in Congo. UN has chased them from Congo to go out of Congo. Now in Sudan, they are everywhere killing people, killing fellow Africans, and then they start calling themselves Pan-Africanism. What a nonsense! That cannot make any sense. You cannot liberate people by killing them. No! That is being an opportunist. That is being a dictator. You are just fulfilling your interest there. You cannot kill Sudanese, you cannot kill Congolese, and you call yourself a Pan-Africanist. How? Does that really make any sense? That is just brainwashing your mind to put you in a situation that you are doing a good thing to kill your fellow black people. You are killing your fellow black people in their own country. UPDF leaving Uganda and go in Sudan and start killing Sudanese. For what reason now? For what reason? Let the issue of Sudan be solved by Sudanese and their governments. Not UPDF, not Ugandans. What business do we have in Sudan? What business? That war in Sudan. What interest do we have in Sudan? So killing Sudanese with the dangerous weapons, that is being Pan-Africanism. Wow. What are criminals? You are really criminals. You are narcissists. You just care about yourselves. That cannot be a Pan-Africanism. That cannot be. It cannot even make any sense. You are killing people around Africa and you call yourself a Pan-Africanist. Does that really make any sense? Does that really make any sense? That is bogus. Really bogus. It cannot even make any sense in my head. Whenever I sit here and start hearing that word Pan-Africanism, yet you are killing your fellow Africans without no reason, just because of power. Just to stay in power. Just to build the dictatorship in Africa. That's what we... That is exactly what we're calling Pan-Africanism. Hey, just building a dictatorship. Just fulfilling your interest around the region of East Africa. That's what you call Pan-Africanism. Wow. Wow. To make people homeless in Africa. To make people hungry. They are dying of hunger because of the war you are creating. That's what you call Pan-Africanist. Wow. Congolese are running out of their country. They are your fellow Africanists. How can that actions be a Pan-Africanist? Like, Is that actions represent Ya Allah, ya Ana? Yeah, you people. That is brainwashing. That is manipulating of your mind. To let you think that killing your fellow Africans, fighting for stupidity wars, useless wars around the region, that can make you a Pan-Africanist. That is a lie. That cannot even make any sense wherever.